Urban gardening is a practical and rewarding way to grow fresh food in small spaces, whether you live in an apartment, townhouse, or home with limited yard space. By maximizing vertical space, using creative container solutions, and selecting the right plants, you can cultivate a thriving garden, even in the heart of a bustling city. The first step is to assess your available space. Balconies, rooftops, windowsills, and small patios can all serve as potential gardening spots. Consider utilizing vertical gardening techniques such as wall planters, hanging baskets, or trellises to make the most of limited room. Container gardening is another excellent approach, allowing you to grow herbs, vegetables, and even small fruit trees in pots, raised beds, or repurposed containers like buckets and crates. When selecting plants, opt for compact, high-yield varieties that thrive in confined spaces, such as cherry tomatoes, peppers, lettuce, spinach, and herbs like basil and mint. Dwarf or bush versions of vegetables are ideal for container gardening as they require less room, but still produce a good harvest. Proper soil and watering are essential to ensure healthy plant growth. Use high-quality potting soil with good drainage, and be mindful of watering needs, as containers tend to dry out faster than traditional garden beds. Installing a self-watering system or using mulch can help retain moisture and reduce maintenance. Additionally, urban gardens benefit from composting, even on a small scale, by turning kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich fertilizer. Sunlight is another crucial factor. Place plants in areas that receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day, or supplement with grow lights if needed. Urban gardening not only provides fresh, organic produce but also enhances mental well-being, improves air quality, and contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle, making it a worthwhile endeavor for city dwellers.